Nice work, sir. The payoff from Redstone really got us back on our feet.
Why is that Tosh guy aboard?
He wanted to talk to you in person, sir. Something about conducting more business ventures together.
You do any digging on him?
Of course. And he's no pirate. Rumor has it he's a renegade ghost. And until he vanished, he was one of the Dominion's top assassins. Now Manx hates him almost as much as he hates you.
Well, I like this guy already. Just the same, we'd best keep an eye on him.
Yes, sir.
We need to get some live entertainment in here.
What's the word, man?
Now, I know you ain't here just for my lively conversation.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN, your first, last, and only stop for the truth. Tonight, our own Kate Lockwell uncovers a secret shadow war, waged by our brave Dominion ghosts against a ruthless hidden enemy.
Thanks, Donnie. I'm talking live with a specialist in the Dominion. I understand that you and your comrades have been against a group of... What can you tell us about that?
Well, Kate, I'm not allowed to say much, but I can tell you that his allies will not. We expect them very soon.
I think we'll all sleep a little better tonight, knowing our Dominion forces are watching over us. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
You ever heard of a guy named Gabriel Tosh?
Only rumors. Way I hear it, he was mixed up in some covert branch of the Ghost program that produced some real scary badasses. Word was, Tosh snapped and went rogue. I'd play it real cool with that kind. He'd cut your throat soon as look at you.
I've dealt with rogue ghosts before. It's the one still working for Manx I got a problem with.
Commander, the alien artifact is all secure in the lab, sir. You know, seeing it got me to thinking about my special projects.
Whoa, slow down, Stedman. What do you mean, projects? You doing some kind of research down here?
Yeah, well, you know, not yet, sir. I still need some additional specimens to get things going. Once I get those, we can make some big improvements to our weapon systems and tactics.
Well, I'm all for that. What do you need?
All kinds of things. I've entered the details into our database. If you run into something on a mission that we need, you'll be notified automatically.
Just try not to blow up the ship. Okay, Stedman? Can you tell me anything about this artifact? Gotta admit, kinda weirds me out.
I've done some preliminary studies. Your artifact is a few thousand years old, but that makes it pretty young in xenoarchaeological terms. Most alien artifacts are millions of years old. By comparison, this one was made recently.
It ain't like anything Protoss I've ever seen. But if they didn't make it, who did?
Just out of curiosity, I did some tests on the minerals from Redstone. I thought you should know I found trace quantities of Jorium, a rare crystal with very unique properties.
I'm all ears, Doc. What kind of properties?
Jorium resonates at the same frequency as certain brainwaves. It's been theorized that it could be used to stimulate brain activity or even produce psionic abilities in human subjects.
What the hell does Tosh want that for?
Now we got pirates on the ship. Kaczynski, better take an inventory.
He is the man. We make a good team, me and you.
Why are you here, Tosh? Our business is done unless you got something else for me.
Yeah, I got another job for us on a world called Belshia. Interested?
Maybe. What's in it for me? Piracy ain't exactly my chosen path.
Everyone knows Jim Raynor wants to put the hurt on Mengsk. I can help you with that. I can help you big time.
I'll think about it. For the time being, welcome aboard the Hyperion. We'll talk later.
There's a rare gas on Belshir, the Protoss call the Breath of Creation. They think it'd be a gift from their gods. We call it Terrazine, and it'd be worth a fortune to the right bidder. Of course, those Protoss will kill us if they catch us on their holy ground. Or at least they'll try.
The Moebius boys think there's another artifact on a world called Monlyth. Supposedly there's Protoss guarding it. A group of fanatics call themselves the Tal'darim. Now don't get all sentimental thinking these Tal'darim are your old Protoss buddies, 'cause they ain't. There it is, Jimmy. Just like Moebius said. Easy money.
I don't know. There's a lot of Protoss down there. We're gonna have to... What the?
Warning. Multiple Zerg biosignatures detected.
Ah, hell.
Them critters were just hiding underground, waiting?
No idea, but you can bet they're headed straight for our shrine.
Well, that sure complicates things. We can't fight two armies at once, partner.
With any luck, we won't have to. We only need to hold the area at the top of the shrine long enough to extract the artifact. So we'll land here and cut our way through the Protoss lines while they're busy with the Zerg. It's only a matter of time before the Zerg overwhelm the Protoss. We'd best grab the artifact and be long gone by then.
You gonna give me orders? SCV ready.
The Zerg severely outnumber the Protoss forces. It is likely the Protoss will fall shortly.
Well, here's the plan. Then we've got to get that artifact before the Zerg overrun the whole place.
Gangway, coming through. SCV ready. You've been waiting.
Warning. Protoss stalkers are gathering at our perimeter.
SCV ready.
Incoming transmission.
I got something new for you, cowboy. Marauders, the latest word in big bada-boom hardware.
I ain't sure this is the best time to be experimenting, Swan.
Best time there is. Let the Marauders loose against those stalkers and you'll see. You gonna give me orders? Gangway.
Additional supply depots required.
In the rear with the gear. Huh? Who wants some? This better be good. You got it. Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? Yes, sir. You want a piece of me, boy? Outstanding. What's going on? Will do. Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good. SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? I'm on it. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you. Sure thing. SCV ready. Oh, this better.
Is it critical? Need some.
By the numbers.
Time's a waste.
Armed and ready. Outstanding. Aye, aye. SCV ready. You want a piece of me, boy? I'm on it. In the rear with the gear. Big. Who wants some? SCV ready.
Don't leave me hanging.
Been waiting on you. Go, go, go! This better be good. That's fine. SCV ready. Can't wait.
Warning. Incoming Zerg attack wave detected.
SCV ready. Oh yeah. This better be good. I'm on it. Will do. Gangway, coming through. You gonna give me by the number? SCV ready. Who wants some?
It's about to get heavy.
Roger that. Armed and ready. Got it. Go ahead. SCV ready. What's going on? This better be good. You got it. Who wants some? You gonna give me orders? What? SCV ready. Been waiting on you. Ah! You scared me! Yeah? SCV ready. Yeah, whatever. Bad news. Move it! Who wants? You gonna give me orders? What's going on? SCV ready.
Kaboom, baby!
Armed and ready. SCV ready.
Hey, you ain't gonna leave your base completely undefended, are you, Jimmy?
In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Got it. SCV ready.
Just say when.
Armed and ready. That's fine. SCV ready. Roger that. SCV ready. That's fine. Roger that.
Say,
You gonna give me orders? Can't wait. You got it. Sure. SCV ready. We hear you. I can't build here. SCV ready. Armed and ready. Who wants some?
it's about to get heavy.
Big job, huh?
Better send some body bags.
I'm on it. You gonna...
Add-on complete.
This...
Not enough minerals.
Let's have a blast.
Who wants some?
Got a whole lot of love.
Uh-huh. You... Armed and ready. You gonna give me
Upgrade
orders?
complete.
Why not?
Kaboom, baby!
This better be good. Go, go, go!
The doctor is in.
Fine. Bad news. Armed and ready. Who wants some? Gateway coming through. Been waiting on you. Now, go, go, go! Can't wait. Bad news. Sure thing.
The doctor is in.
This better be good.
Go on.
Add-on complete.
Roger that. What's going on? Go, go! By the numbers, boys. Big job. We could use some help here. This better be good. Armed and ready. You got it. 10-4. Why not? Go, go, go! Roger that. Looking forward. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. Sure thing. Go, go, go! This better been waiting on you. Booyah! Affirmative. Gangway, coming through. Who won? By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me one piece of me, boy? Why not? This better be good. Been waiting on you. Can't wait. Armed and ready. Who wants some? Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Booyah! By the gangway, coming through.
Of course.
You gonna give me orders?
Upgrade complete.
What the? Roger that. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. This better be good. Got it. You gonna give me orders? Booyah!
I got a crew coming down to pick up the artifact.
We
got what we came for. Let's hightail it out of here.
I forgot how resourceful you were, Jim. I won't make that mistake twice.
Kerrigan.